In this video, we are going to be replacing a battery for this MacBook Pro. The model number is the A1706, which is about the mid-2016-2017 MacBook. What we're going to be needing in this video is just a iFixit kit like this. The link of the products are in our description down below. We're going to be mainly using the P2s, the T4s, and T5s. And then, in addition to that, we are going to need a new battery. The link for this battery is also down in our description below. Let's get started. So I've already triple checked the computer is turned off. So I'm going to be removing the 6 P5 screws right here using a P5 bit. These screws have been removed and it's already popping off the cover. So this is telling me that the battery is swollen. The customer did open it himself and he did notify me that the battery is swollen. So this is what I'm planning on seeing. And yes, as expected, the swollen battery right here.
Gotta go.
Generally, when batteries are swollen like this, it is pretty dangerous. So if you do have a swollen battery, work on it as soon as you get the chance. And they are a bit easier to remove because they have less surface area on the frame. Let's start off by unplugging the battery. Take this guy off. We're going to pull this cable off. So lift up the latch, just like that. Now that the battery cable is removed, we can unscrew the battery right here. This right here is a T5 screw. Now that we've removed the screw, we're just gonna pop this up. The battery is now fully unplugged from the computer. Let's remove the keyboard cable. This is a T4 bit. Pop off the trackpad cable. Okay, now that we've lifted the cable here, we're just gonna set it here in the back. And we kind of want to drown this area with alcohol to make the removal of the battery a lot easier. So I'm just putting alcohol all over. So we're gonna use a plastic tool like this, a prying tool, and we're just gonna go ahead and cut the adhesive underneath the batteries just like that. Okay, battery has been removed from that side. This does require a lot of force and grit underneath this. So you want to be careful due to that trackpad. So very delicate. There's a chance you may damage trackpad cable. So you want to be very careful here. I'm going to do something thinner. All right, we've officially removed the battery from the adhesive. All right, now what we're going to be doing here is for us to remove this battery, the cable does lay underneath these two parts of the board. See, this battery cable lays underneath this board and the battery cable lays underneath this side. So we're gonna lift up the board just slightly. For that to happen, we need to unscrew a few things on the motherboard. This is a T4 bit as well. And let's remove these two screws as well. These are all T5 as well. So I'm gonna put a plastic spudger right here and lift on the board or right here. So I need to lift enough so I can pull the cable out. One more spudger right here. Okay, that side is lifted and removed. This side as well. Okay, so now that we've removed the battery, you can tell it's very swollen. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up first before we install the new battery. All right, now that we've removed the adhesive, we'll just use some alcohol here on a rag and just remove the remaining smaller parts of the adhesive, just like that. You definitely want this as clean as you can get it, so you can have the new adhesive adhere to the frame properly, you know? We've had other shops do them before, and then we end up working on the customer's laptop, and we notice they don't remove the adhesive as we do. You definitely want to remove it and clean it as much as you can. Okay, so the frame is clean, battery removed. Now let's grab the new battery. Let's remove the back. As we remove the battery, we're going to insert it the same way. So we're going to have to lift up on the board. So we got one side lifted. Let's see if we can lift the second side now. We've got both sides of the battery in place. So let's drop the batteries where they belong. Now that we have the battery in place, let's screw in the battery connector. Lift up the battery. And we're gonna screw in the remaining 4 screws on the board. Okay, let's screw in the battery. Okay, the motherboard now is making contact with the battery. This is the battery reader. Let's connect this to the board as well. Okay, everything's in place. Let's go ahead and close this up and test. Okay, we threw this on the charger. Now we say Bismillah. Should turn on. There it is. Perfect. We'll unplug the charger to make sure it's still on and looks good to go. We'll triple check the trackpad's working and keyboard still works. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, do let us know down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We also post daily on our Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So if you're interested on customer interactions and their repairs, don't forget to like us there as well. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.